I'm Colby. I'm the master tech here at REI in Jackson. I run our bike and ski shop all season. Every time we're doing a transaction, as soon as the customers hear that board flip over, they can't help but look at it. When I was 18 and I went to Germany, I saw a big, large-scale one in a train station, and that analog flipping is just too cool. It's just a mechanical wonder, and having it tied to the internet where I can just type it in on the computer or on the phone to update the messages makes the user experience just seamless and fast. Everybody brings it up. No matter if they're 6 years old or 60 years old, everybody comments on the Vestaboard. It's a phenomenal tool.